how to add music to Instagram stories. This is what we are going to talk about today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, this really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, please go to your story option up above. As you click on your story option up above, then select any picture or post you want to put on the story, or you can also take any picture from the camera option. I am selecting this random post. Then I am going up above on the sticker option. As I go on the sticker option, there will be a sticker of music. I have to select the music sticker. As I select the music sticker, then I can select any of the music that is coming down below, or I can browse anyone. This is for you that list the music that I listen. So this is the music that is particularly made for me. I can browse any music also. So I have to select any music from here, and then I can put it on my story. Let me select any random music. After selecting that, now I can put the music, the part that I want to put, and also its lyrics on the video. So this is all from the video. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also hit the like button. Thanks.